Let's move on to the next tool in our review, the EasyBeader. This simple tool is designed to produce beads of a consistent size quickly and easily. It has a unique shape incorporating 2 quarter circles. When using the EasyBeader, set your tool rest on or slightly below centre height and as close to your workpiece as possible. The top cutting edge of the tool is now above centre when placed on the tool rest. Slightly raise the handle so that the cutting edge is now on centre, producing a trailing cut, and slowly apply forward pressure so that the EasyBeader begins to cut. A gentle side-to-side motion of the handle assists in removing the waste material. Continue these actions until 2 perfect quarter circles have been produced. To form the next half of the bead, simply repeat these steps. Ensure that the shoulder of the tool is lined up with the outer edge of the previous quarter circle. The EasyBeader can also be used to create a perfect curved edge by using just one side. This is done by lining up the point of the tool with the face of the workpiece and working exactly as we did previously. The EasyBeader is simple to sharpen. Just use a diamond hone or slipstone across the top face. As a word of warning, never try to sharpen around the bevel, as you're likely to ruin the shape of the tool. The EasyBeader is available in 3 sizes to make beads of 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2.